Hello students and viewer. Let's continue with the chapter number 2nd. Next point is observation during inspection. So previously we have seen about field inspection and what are the conditions, what are the stages observed by the field inspector, and now this point is observations during inspections. So now see what observation you have to make while inspecting a crop. So the first point, see the source of genetic and physical contamination must be observed. Let me take pointer. So what you have to observe here, genetic and physical contamination. So this genetic and physical contamination you must have to observe while making a field inspection. The next point, degree of occurrence of particular contamination should be estimated. So degree of occurrence of contamination should be estimated. Second point. And next, genetic contamination is common in cross-pollinated species. So yes, as we are crossing two different plants, there must be a genetic contamination. So this genetic contamination is very common and that has to be again pointed out while inspection. Next, physical contamination should be observed. So any physical contamination it is appeared apart from this genetic contamination that you have to, or any field inspector have to observe this. Next, come to the next point, sources of contamination can be broadly classified into one of the following categories. So hereafter I have mentioned few categories, and according to that category field inspector can make their the source of contamination in any one of this category, or if many contamination sources are observed, you can categorize them as per these sub points. So here see the first point is off type. Let me change the color of my pen. So first type is what? Off type. So here which uh, plant you have to consider it as off type while mentioning under sources of contamination. So see here, while mentioning this off type, what you have to consider, what things you have to remember. So off type means what? This is the plant of same species. Yes, whatever the species you have sown in your field, the same kind of species is going to observe, but it is going to express you a different expression in their morphological characteristics. Getting? So here what you have to remember is same species of that particular genus is present, but the another plant will show you, will gives you different morphological characteristic, so that the plant which shows you different morphological characteristics should be considered as of type. Second thing, see, to designate a plant as a off type, it is not necessary to identify it definitely as another variety. Means suppose there must not be a different variety. Should present, should grow along with your main variety. Right? So it need not be necessary to have different kind of variety along with your uh, main variety. So here the plant of other varieties however are also called as off type. If the other varieties, if it is growing, then yes, you have to consider it as off type. So off type may be of similar plant, similar species, but the plant is giving you different morphological characteristic, that you have to consider it as off type. Now, second point, see here, inseparable other crop plants. Now, see, this is the very difficult, I can say, because this is very, we can't separate out. Means the crop plant which gives you similar kind of similar kind of plant structure, similar kind of seeds, and it's very difficult to us to separate those seeds mechanically. So here, so such a seeds can be considered as inseparable other crop plants. Next, objectionable weed plants. So some plants are there which are growing along with your main crop. So those plants you have to consider it as a weed plants. Yes, and these plants may be harmful to your main seed plants. So these weed plants you have to consider as objectionable weed plants. Now next point is disease. Now here, if your plant is suffering from any biological pathogen, for example, if the plant disease is caused by the fungi, if it is caused by the bacteria, if they are caused by the viruses or nematode, if not diseases also this is also coming under a nutritional deficiencies. So in that condition also you have to consider these plant diseases. Means under the nutritional deficiencies also plant shows you some diseases apart from these biological pathogens. So such diseases again you have to pointed out. This inspection, this identification you have to mention while you are going into the field. Yes, you have to consider which fungi has caused disease, which bacteria, if not which viruses. So all these factors you have to consider, and which kind of disease it's appeared on a main plant. So this main point you have to consider, you have to note it down while doing inspection. So seeds may carry pathogen either internally or externally. So externally seed-borne pathogens are also there, as well as both external internal pathogens are also there. So this is also you have to consider while doing inspection. So likewise here see I have covered only a very simple topic of this observation during inspection. Very simple. It is what I mentioned here, the off type, then next is inseparable other crop plants, then next objectionable weed plants and diseases, and even the seeds may carry some inborn pathogens as well as external pathogens. So these things you have to uh, mention it out. So thank you for watching.